So we made our way to Sugamo, and we have 20 minutes to waste or to spare until a wrestling shop opens, where we might be able to get sumo collective cards. Have a look there. So, we are trying to get sumo collector cards, little cards like Pokemon cards now for sumo fighters, but turns out they don't have that here. They had some other sumo goods, and I might film them when we go back to the hotel because, yeah, can't open that here. But on to the next stop, boat racing, I guess. Kein Fall, was das ist.
Keine Ahnung, was das ist.
Keine Ahnung, was das ist. No idea how that works. Ja. So we made it in again the area of the sumo stadium, but we got tickets for tomorrow. But tomorrow we will be just going in and then watching the whole day sumo. So our goal today is maybe find some souvenirs that we don't have to look for them tomorrow, and something to eat maybe. Okay, after an uneventful ride where I didn't film anything because the e-bike had no power and there was no station where I could get another bike, so I had to rely on myself. And yeah, with headwind that was no fun at all. But as promised, I wanted to show you what I got. I got a magazine from 2016 with the goat of sumo, Hakuhoko, one of the, arguably the best sumo fighter until today. So that was quite a good haul. And my brother got mini Yokozuna belts. Technically he could have get this whole stuff with an showcase. I will show a picture here, but we can't transport that, and that looked old and dusty. But the belts are quite nice. The translation said old and dusty. Translation said okay. The plan is to watch a bit of sumo now and relax a bit of the backbones, back muscles, and then we head out for dinner and trying to make some night pictures of the sky tree. Yeah, let's do that later. So, this was a chill evening. We went with the bikes and drove for around an hour, or 1 hour 10 minutes, a bit to a spot where we could take some pictures from the sky tree and from the area surrounding it. Quite interesting, funny ride, and that's it for today. Tomorrow will be sumo for the whole day. Yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.